Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accordion. 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 Accordion is a musical instrument that produces sound by expanding and contracting a bellows while pressing buttons or keys to open and close valves, allowing air to flow over reeds. It's known for its distinctive sound and ability to create both melodic and harmonic tones. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The musician played a lively tune on his accordion, captivating the audience with his skill. Why accordion is used in example number 1. Accordion refers to the musical instrument that the musician played, demonstrating its use in creating music. Example number 2. The polka band featured an accordion player who added a cheerful rhythm to the music. Why accordion is used in example number 2. Accordion specifies the role of a musician who plays the accordion in a polka band. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.